While expectations and moral standpoints change slowly, genetic engineering is racing ahead in what it could deliver in the future. Designing the baby you want to have before you become pregnant. Replacing damaged parts of your body with new ones grown in the lab. Creating human clones. Science fiction or science fact? Perhaps genetics will be able to achieve all this one day, if we as a society decide that's what we want. Despite some of the sensational claims in the media about where this science might take us, doctors who are working in the field of genetic medicine have more modest ambitions about what their science can achieve.
We should never see these things as a panacea for all diseases. We're developing a treatment for a particular condition. We hope that that can then be used to develop a treatment for another condition. We shouldn't see this as genetic engineering across the board. We're talking about the delivery of medicines in the form of genetic information. And I think we have to take some of the emotive issues out of this and look at the reality of what's actually being done.
I think there's a lot of hype around about genetics, and a lot of it is actually scientifically unrealistic. Obviously, we hope we will learn more about our genes and the influence they have on our health as years go by. But actually, how healthy we are is going to continue to be largely determined by the way we behave and the sorts of lifestyles that we lead.
But I think the important thing to take away from the kind of reproductive technology we've been talking about is this is actually very, 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 very limited. This is not going to affect the gene pool. This is about access. It's about people who want to make decisions in a different way. It's not a Frankenstein thing where everybody's going to go down that line. It's help for a small group of people. Genetics in the wider sense is very much the future as to how we're going to see medicine develop.